Howdy, howdy. Check out this Klein exhaust. Titanium, beautiful welds. Got the X pipe between the two mufflers. Sweet piece. Looks like we're gonna go with E85 on this car. So I got injectors coming. We're gonna run it E85, about 700 horsepower. And that's gonna be where we stop. We're not gonna get into rods and cams and all that. Might have to update the fuel pump, I'm not sure. But carbon ceramic brakes are coming on Monday, so we're gonna get into that. You'll have a full video next week, promise you. Do me a favor, like, share, check me out on TikTok and Instagram, SJR Customs. I'm gonna keep posting videos for you guys. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks.